great.
Now you're breaking up. I cannot hear you. What? Don't you dare! I know. Oh, unfortunate technical difficulty. Boring conversation anyway. Another group of flight candidates. Welcome, my friends. Welcome, welcome. What a fine-looking group of flight professionals. You remind me of me, but without the bounty on your heads. I recognize a few of you. You've flown for me before. I can't believe you made it.
Okay, 2 pilots, 2 gunners, 2 engineers.
2 pilots, 2 gunners.
You guys will be in the color yellow today, okay? All the way down the highway, guys, color yellow.
Alrighty, come on in and hang out with us. We'll call your flight color in just a moment. What was our flight color?
Seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados.
Woohoo! My goodness gracious.
Yeah!
Holy goodness gracious.
Let's go
There
ahead
we go.
and take our
No, my man! After you shoot!
You're gonna get us killed!
Now let's go get that coaxium. Nice piloting. Make the jump to light speed. They're blocked off to us. Take evasive action. Oh, no.
Get behind that plane!
After that plane.
Get behind that plane!
Flight engineers, fire the harpoon. Cargo free. Pilot
What the fuck?
Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I am go and say You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now the resistance are ready. Maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Flight engineers, fire the harpoon and beam. Gunners, shoot the train. Yes, keep bashing those controls. I think I'll let you tell the rules. Hold that. Things are getting... Fire the missiles at the train! The Star Destroyer is collapsing!
You guys!
Fly!
assassin. You retrieved one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut, minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon, is, hey, not bad.
Oh, I have an accuracy of 38. That's lame. Time shot.
Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhike. Fine. Scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms.
Are we not done?
You see, this happens sometimes when you travel to a... Time for you to go, and don't worry.
Ah,